Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a logo on Shopify. Whether you're setting up a new online store or revamping your current design, positioning your logo just right can make a huge impact on your brand's presence. So, let's delve into the steps and explore how you can relocate that logo effortlessly. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account. Once you're in, navigate to the admin dashboard. Here, you'll spot the online store option on the left-hand side of your screen. Give that a click. This section is where all the magic happens. It houses themes, pages, and various settings that shape the appearance of your store. Next, from the drop-down under Online Store, find Themes. Clicking here will show you the current theme that your store is using. You'll want to head over to the Customize button, usually next to your theme's name. This is your gateway to tweaking your store's aesthetics. Once inside the theme editor, a pop-up menu should appear on either right or left, depending on your interface settings. This menu allows you access to various sections of your theme, like your header, footer, and homepage content. Focus your attention now on the header section. Open it up. This is undeniably the area where you'll manage your logo placement. In this section, you should see options related to the logo, including its size, alignment, and yes, its position. For those whose themes don't have an obvious logo position setting, you might need to make some custom code changes, but more on that in a bit. Assuming your theme allows you to choose the logo position, experiment by aligning it to different sides, perhaps center it or try off-center placements, and watch how your page evolves real-time in the preview pane. Remember, the logo's alignment can significantly affect your store's visual balance. Take a moment to step back and assess how everything looks together. A centered logo might add symmetry, whereas a left or right-aligned logo could complement other design elements on your pages. Now, if your theme lacks flexibility with logo positioning, adding custom code might be your best bet. Head back to the dashboard, click on Actions next to your theme, and select Edit Code. Don't worry if you're not a coding wizard, all you need to do is locate the themes.css file. Add your desired CSS commands for logo positioning. A couple of basic CSS rules like text align or margin can be enough to get your logo moving to where you need it. And there you have it, setting and adjusting your logo's position on Shopify is straightforward once you know your way around the theme tools. Don't hesitate to explore other adjustments, like resizing or swapping out the logo entirely. Keep your brand shining bright, and remember that every little detail matters in creating a cohesive and inviting shopping experience for your customers.